morning. It is Friday and today we are going to Sydney. We are flying in about 2 or 3 hours to Wellington, and then from Wellington we're flying to Sydney. I'm super stoked. I've never been to Australia before, but always have wanted to go, and Sydney just sounds really cool. We don't have too many plans for there, but we'll just see what we want to do and what the weather is like. Forecast is pretty good, 27 degrees most days and maybe 1 or 2 days rain, but we won't let that stop us, so we'll see. And that was our trip to Sydney. We had a really good time and we loved every minute of it. We went with a small list of, a medium-sized list of ideas of what to do. We didn't make any plans and we just went to whatever we felt like. But while we were there, we saw so many cool things that the list grew and grew, even though we were just doing stuff off the list as well. And we did so much, we saw so much. We had such a good time and there's so much more to see and do in Sydney. So we will definitely be going back and I can't wait. I miss it already and it's such a cool place. So there will definitely be more Sydney in the future. And for now, we're just happily back in New Zealand. Yeah, we were in Sydney in March. It's actually been a while already. It took me a while to edit this footage. I took a bit of a break from editing. The previous video took a lot. We had so much extra footage from vacation and Stewart Island, and it was beautiful, but it was so much work. So I took a little bit of a break and now I'm back. I'm still enjoying making videos and I'm still enjoying shooting videos as well and taking camera on fun stuff that we do. So I have a little bit of a backlog to catch up on. Just so you know, there won't be a video for April. I got a bit sick in April. It was gloomy, it was dark. I don't think we did anything that month. But for May and June, we did get up to some fun stuff. So I will make a brief catch-up video for that one. And for videos after that, I'm thinking of switching up the vlog format a little bit. While I was editing, I noticed that there's a lot of footage of how beautiful the places are that we are, and that's not going to change. I'm going to keep that. But in some of the videos, all I do is smile at the camera and wave, and I feel like my personality is not even in there. And I've been watching someone else on YouTube recently, and she has been an inspiration and she put so much of her personality in there, and I really admire that. And I would like to try and do that a little bit more. So my vlogs will change a little bit. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. If not, you're welcome to leave as well. Nobody's making you watch this. So yeah, now thank you for watching this one and sticking around, and I'll see you later. Cheers.